Introducing Sensorberg One Access, the smart access system built for self-storage. In self-storage, providing easy and convenient access for customers must be matched with robust security, ensuring all goods are protected. Traditional padlock access can drain time from on-site staff, requiring site checks and manual overlocks. That's where One Access comes in. The system secures and monitors every entry point, gates, main doors, elevators, and individual storage units. Customers unlock them with a tap on their smartphone or with access codes. No physical keys required. With One Access, you can monitor and control your facility in real time. Instant alerts and full visibility ensure you always know exactly what's happening. And our integrations with your ERP and booking platform fully automate workflows. Move-ins and move-outs are a breeze. Give your clients a seamless experience from entry gate to storage unit. Smooth, simple, and secure access keeps customers happy and coming back. Plug-and-play installation makes One Access effortless to roll out. Perfectly designed for growing storage businesses. And our industrial-grade technology, built fully in-house, flexibly adapts to your business needs. One Access empowers you to stay ahead of the competition by reducing costs, maximizing revenue, and improving service. Sensorberg One Access offers the best security, reliability, and user experience for self-storage. With over 12 years of market experience and 30 team members, we help you to achieve your storage success. Ready to update your business? Get in touch with Sensorberg today.